Blacktown bricks and pieces, and I love selling Lego for profit. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this guy, and building him too also. The 75332, the AT-ST tiny little set here. It's a great set. It's another small set that anyone can buy. I've seen it for as low as 30 bucks, so it's very affordable, and anyone can buy it. Give it to kids, add it to your collection, whatever. It's a great little set. Stick around to the end, and I'm going to be showing you if the set's worth buying, worth holding, or worth parting out. What's going to be the best profit for you? Also stick around to the end, and I'm going to be showing you how you can get this guy at a fraction of the price. As always, if you like this content, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, leave some comments and feedback, and check out all my other videos about how to buy and sell Lego for profit. Now, like I said, I love this little set. It's a really small set, any kid can buy it, and the great thing is, it's just some main components here. You've got the tree, you've got the leaves, and you've got the minifigures. That's pretty much most of the set, and these are all quite valuable, sought after pieces. I particularly like the Ewok in here, and also the Imperial Scout Trooper, the SW1229, that seems to sell really fast. This little white guy here in the front. I think I'm out of stock of those at the moment because they sell really, really fast. Well, enough talking, let's get building. Okay, let's check out the minifigures. You've got the Imperial AT-ST driver SW1217. It's currently retailing for about $11 on Bricklink. Now this little guy, the Wicket Ewok SW1218, currently selling for just under $13 on Bricklink. And you also got the Imperial Scout Trooper selling for $12.35, the SW1229. Now the Scout Trooper and the Ewok are going to sell really fast. The drivers, not so much. The other two guys are really popular, so you're probably going to sell them pretty fast. Now, the total value of these minifigures is about $36, so you're going to get a good chunk of your cash back just by selling the minifigures. Well, I kind of got bored with this one as well, so I bought a few of these sets because I really like how they look and how the minifigures are detailed. Now, as I said before, the Scout Trooper and also the Ewok are going to sell really fast. So this is potentially going to be a great set if you can buy it at the right price. I've seen it for about $30 up to about $45, and it's currently selling on Bricklink, parted out for about $52. So if you get it at a good price, then it's definitely worth a set to buy to part out and make some profit. Now also, if you want to keep this and hold it, it's also a potential there as well because it's a cheap set, and you also got an Ewok. There's not many Ewoks around, so this is going to be a great set if you just want to hold it and keep it for the long term. And also kids are going to love it too because it's only got 3 minifigures and just a few pieces that anyone can build. Well, as I said before, if you want to buy this cheaply at a fraction of the price, check out my store. The link should be up there somewhere. Blacktown Bricks and Pieces. I'm going to be selling this one at a fraction of the price. Well, not this one, but the ones I bought because they're no longer new and I have to sell them as used stock. So the link's up above there. Check it out. I've got heaps of Lego, heaps of sets, heaps of minifigures, all sorts of stuff. Well, if you like this content, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, check out my other videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.